Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk about dental health. Are you falling for dental myths that could harm your teeth? You know, those little tidbits of misinformation that somehow keep circulating even in 2025. We've all heard them, maybe even believe some, but today we're setting the record straight. In this video, we're debunking 5 common dental myths you probably still believe, and revealing the truth behind them. We'll separate fact from fiction so you can make the best choices for your pearly whites. Because let's be honest, a healthy smile is a happy smile, and who doesn't love to flash those pearly whites with confidence? Alright, let's dive right into these myths and uncover the truth. Okay, let's talk sugar. We all know it's not exactly a dentist's best friend, right? But sugar alone isn't the sole culprit behind cavities. The real troublemakers are bacteria in your mouth. They thrive on sugar and produce acid. This acid weakens enamel, causing cavities. Limit sugar, brush after meals, and visit your dentist. Let's be real, who doesn't crave a bright, sparkling smile? It's like an instant confidence booster. And with all those whitening toothpaste commercials promising a dazzling smile in just a few brushes, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But here's the truth. Whitening toothpaste alone won't magically transform your smile. Most whitening toothpaste works by using abrasive particles to scrub away surface stains on your teeth. It can make your teeth look temporarily brighter, but it won't actually change the intrinsic color of your teeth. For that, you need professional whitening treatments. Dentists have access to stronger whitening agents that can penetrate the enamel and break down those stubborn stains, giving you a noticeably brighter smile. Always consult with your dentist before trying any DIY whitening methods. Alright, let's talk about flossing, the unsung hero of dental hygiene. Think of it this way. Your toothbrush is like a trusty broom, sweeping away food particles from the surfaces of your teeth. But just like a broom can't reach those tight corners and crevices in your home, your toothbrush can't reach the narrow spaces between your teeth. That's where floss swoops in like a superhero sidekick. Flossing is like giving your teeth a deep clean, removing plaque and food debris that your toothbrush can't reach. When plaque is left to accumulate between your teeth, it hardens into a substance called tartar, which can irritate your gums and lead to gingivitis, the early stage of gum disease. So, make flossing a daily habit, and if you find traditional floss a bit tricky, try interdental brushes or water flossers. The important thing is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. They're small, they're temporary, but they're mighty important. Baby teeth pave the way for your child's adult teeth. You might think, they're just going to fall out, so how important can their care be? Taking care of baby teeth is crucial for overall oral health. They serve as placeholders for permanent teeth, guiding adult teeth into proper positions. Neglect can lead to crowding and misalignment. Baby teeth are essential for speech, chewing, and nutrition. Start brushing with a soft bristled brush and fluoride toothpaste. Schedule their first dental visit by their first birthday. We've all been there scrubbing away at our teeth with all our might. But harder doesn't necessarily mean cleaner. Brushing too aggressively can do more harm than good. Your enamel is tough but has limits. Hard brushing wears it down, causing sensitivity and gum recession. Use a soft bristled brush and gentle circular motions. So there you have it, folks. We've debunked 5 common dental myths that might have been misleading you. Remember, sugar alone doesn't cause cavities. Whitening toothpaste has its limitations, flossing is non-negotiable, baby teeth deserve just as much care, and brushing harder isn't the solution. Instead, focus on a balanced diet, professional whitening treatments when needed, daily flossing, early dental care for kids, and a gentle yet effective brushing technique. These simple adjustments can make a world of difference in your oral health journey. Want a game-changing solution to protect your teeth? Watch the Navy Tooth Repair Hack video linked in the description. It's a must-see for a healthier smile. And as always, subscribe for more dental health tips and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, keep smiling those healthy smiles.